In this lesson, I'll show you how to write Korean consonants with my handwriting. By the way, have you sung the consonant song that I made with like a goofy performance? Alright, well, if you haven't, I suggest watching the video first because it'll help you easily remember all the 14 consonant sounds. Before we begin, there is just one thing that I need to remind you, that just because I'm giving you a Hangul lesson doesn't necessarily mean you need to master all this. Learn all the easy expressions, at the same time you can practice how to write Hangul, which is quite easy to learn. I will use the vowel letter A to practice writing all the consonants. Let's begin with the first letter, 기역. This is how you write 기역. It sounds g, g. And write the vowel sound a. So it becomes ga, ga. Here, ka, na, da, ra, each letter actually can be used for some expressions. For example, here, ga can mean go away. So here we learn how to write each consonant plus get some expressions, right? So it's like kill two birds with one stone. But actually, I write ga this way. Well, you can just make your own shape. This would be good, or this is okay, as you wish. Well, your handwriting shows your characteristics as well, so, well, suit yourself. No, next word. Na. So here, ni은, 1, 2. N. And let's put the vowel letter A. So, ga, na, na. What's the meaning of na? Well, na is actually a word referring to I. It means I. Ga, like I said, go away. Go away. 가. 집에 가. Go home. Alright, so here, na, this is how I write, na. And let's write da. 디귿. 1, 2, 3. That's it. This is 디귿, which is pronounced d. Write a, the vowel letter. Da. Da, I write this way. Da. Ka, na, da. G, 는, 1, 2. Da. Canada. Da actually means all. I want it all. 다 주세요. 다. Hey, would you like some tangerines? I have 10 tangerines. Oh, 다. 다 주세요. I'd like all of them. 다. So again, kill two birds with one stone. We can now read Canada and write Canada. At the same time, we can use each word for some expressions. Go away, 가. 나 means I. 다 means all. Cool. 라, real. 1, 2, 3. L, which is L. Now let's put A. This is la, and this is how I write la. Or when I'm busy, just like this. Now, does la has a meaning of an expression? Let's see. Ah, this one. La 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 la. This is the only thing I can think of right now. Here, one thing is, like I mentioned earlier, in Korean, well, we do not really have R sound, right? So a lot of Korean people find difficulty pronouncing R sound. So we change all R sound to L sound. For example, you know, radio, we pronounce it as radio. Korean people don't say radio. I mean, when speaking Korean, we don't say radio, we say radio. La 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 la. Next consonant, ma, m. It's a big square. 1, 2, 3. That's it. And ah. Ma. Ma. I write ma this way. Or next consonant is pa. Biu. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like a water in a glass, right? Okay, so this is biu, which is same as B. Let's put ah. Ba. Well, I write it this way. La, ma, ba. Ba, actually, an English word bar is written ba in Korean. Ba means look at me. Ding, ding, ding. 나 봐, which means look at me. You repeat the expression, it means let me see. 봐봐, 봐봐. 사, 시옷. 1, 2. That's it. It sounds s. Let's put the vowel letter. 아. 사. 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 사 can be used for this word. Get it. 사. Buy or get. 사. Hey, I really want to get cool shoes. And then you say 사, which means get it, buy it. 사. And Korean number 4. Number 4 in Korean, 사. Alright. Now, ing. This is ing. Ing. So it's kind of ng sound. So you put vowel letter a. Actually, without ing, it is a, pronounced a. But together again, it's a. Even though this actually can't be a consonant sound, we just consider it to be a consonant sound. A. You can say, you can write it this way, or just round circle, it doesn't matter. And Korean people say for ouch. Or ouch. Or if you drag the sound, it means I get it. I get it. You understand it. 자, 지읒. Sounds. 주. Put the vowel sound up. 자. 자. Some people could write it like this. 자 can mean a ruler. And what else? Here you are. When you pass something to a person. 자, here. 자. And 자. Go to sleep. Or go to bed. Go to bed. 자. 쉿. 자, just go to bed. 자. Yeah. We are learning more and more expressions with basic consonants. It's awesome. No. 차, 치읓. Put a, 차. Similar to ch sound, right? It is 치읓. It sound t, t. Not ch, but t, t. Plus a, 차. Can put it this way. Some people write it this way. Some people write it this way. Or cha-cha-cha. I hear some global friends want to visit Korea to experience cha-cha-cha. You know what it is? Cha-cha-cha? Look it up. So, cha could mean a car or tea or kick. 카, 기억. 1, 2, 3. And k. 카. 카. After drinking a glass of soju, you can say k. That's the sound we make after drinking soju. k. 타, 티읕. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 아. 티읕 sounds t. 타, 타, 타. 타 could mean hop on or hop in. 파, 피읍. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then P sounds p. Told you in Korean we don't have an F sound, so any F word, any F sound changes to P sound. Like fan. I'm a big fan of you, but we say I'm a big fan of you. 저 팬이에요. 저 BTS 팬이에요. And for the word fork, no R sound, right? So we say poke. Poke. 파 is green onion in Korean. And the last consonant, ha, hit. 1, 2, 3. Which sounds h. Oh, I didn't put it here. Some people write pa this way. Some people write it this way, right? And ha, some people write this way. When we sigh, we make this sound ha, ha, and ha ha ha. Yeah, ha ha ha, ha ha ha. We write this word, but when you text, you just put ha ha ha. Oh, earlier we learned ka, kia, right? K, which is a laughing sound. K. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video and continue learning Korean with me, please hit the buttons. 구독, 좋아요, 감사합니다.